Precise AP Automation Suite is an integrated companion product for Epicor Kinetic, offering intelligent automation across your entire accounts payable process and delivering unparalleled levels of efficiency, visibility, and control. Today's example will highlight some of the key features and functions of Precise AP Automation, but let's begin firstly from the supplier's side. As a supplier, let's assume that I've received a purchase order for some goods. I've dispatched the goods, and now it's time to follow up by sending the AP invoice out to the customer. The customer in this case is Precise Business Solutions, and I've created the email with the AP invoice document attached. The invoice itself includes the kind of information you would expect: invoice number, due date, costs by line, taxes, etc. We also have purchase order related information in this example, but note that Precise AP Automation Suite also supports miscellaneous or ad hoc AP invoices. The email is now sent, and we're done from the supplier's side. Now let's cover the steps in the process from the point at which the invoice document is received by the customer. Firstly, the invoice document, a PDF in this case, enters the customer's email inbox. Smart Invoice Capture, using ai-ocr technology, then intelligently scans and extracts data from the invoice document and uses this information to generate a new AP invoice transaction. The new transaction is then validated against master data and a range of configured business rules. Such rules could include checking that the invoice is not a duplicate, for example. All required fields are populated and validated against this master data. Smart Invoice Matching then automatically pairs AP invoice lines with their corresponding purchase order and receipt lines, thus performing the three-way matching process. With all relevant fields automatically populated, validated, and matched, the invoice is approved and flows through to Kinetic. Opening the AP invoice tracker in Kinetic, we see that the AP invoice transaction, along with all relevant header and line detail, is automatically populated, approved, and now ready for the final steps of posting and payment. So now that we know the AP transaction is processed and approved in Kinetic, let's take a closer look at the role Precise AP Automation played. Precise AP Automation Suite is built on the same platform and offers the same user experience as our popular Advanced Requisition Management, or ARM, solution. Existing ARM users will therefore benefit from the consistency of being able to process both procurement and also AP invoice-related transactions within the same intuitive user interface. Our example invoice Precise 01 appears amongst our list of AP invoices. Opening it up, we see that the invoice document appears on the right. The left side shows the invoice transaction which has been generated from the data which was scanned and extracted during the Smart Invoice Capture process. The invoice transaction lines have also automatically been three-way matched to their respective purchase order and receipt lines. With both the validation and matching steps completed without error, the invoice transaction is now automatically approved, ready for posting and payment. In summary, the capture, extraction, validation, matching, and approval of this AP invoice was completely touchless, meaning your team are freed up from the onerous tasks of manual data entry and matching. In fact, the first they may know that an AP invoice has even been received is when it appears in the AP invoices list, fully approved and ready for posting and payment. All thanks to the smart and powerful features provided by Precise AP Automation Suite.